Florence, South Carolina, is known for its beautiful scenery, southern charm, and a climate that can swing from hot and humid summers to cooler, unpredictable winters. Whether you're enjoying the warm, sunny days or braving the colder months, your home's windows play a critical role in maintaining comfort, energy efficiency, and security. However, simply purchasing high-quality windows is not enough. Proper window installation is essential to ensure these benefits are fully realized. In this article, we'll discuss why proper window installation is so important for homeowners in Florence, South Carolina, and how the right installation can improve your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and overall value. Energy efficiency in Florence's hot summers and cool winters. Florence's climate presents a unique challenge for homeowners looking to maintain energy efficiency. In the summer, high humidity and extreme heat can cause your air conditioning system to work overtime, while in the winter, unpredictable temperatures can lead to increased use of heating systems. Without properly installed windows, your home can experience air leaks, drafts, and poor insulation, all of which lead to higher energy bills. Proper window installation ensures that your windows are sealed correctly and properly fitted into the frame. This minimizes the chance of air leaks, which is crucial for maintaining your home's indoor temperature. Energy-efficient windows combined with expert installation will help keep warm air inside during the winter and cool air inside during the summer, reducing your dependence on HVAC systems and lowering your monthly energy bills. With Florence's seasonal extremes, ensuring a tight seal and insulation around your windows can make a significant impact on your home's energy efficiency. Protection from humidity and moisture. Florence is known for its high humidity levels, particularly during the summer months. Excess moisture in the air can cause a variety of issues in your home, especially if your windows aren't installed correctly. Improper installation can lead to water infiltration during rainstorms, which can result in mold growth, wood rot, and damage to your walls and foundation. Proper installation of your windows is vital to keeping moisture out of your home. High-quality weather stripping, caulking, and ensuring the right fit are all key factors in preventing water from entering through gaps in your windows. A skilled window installer will make sure that all the seals are properly applied and that the windows are correctly positioned to avoid water damage. This is particularly important in Florence's humid climate, where moisture can quickly lead to expensive repairs if not properly managed. Avoiding condensation between the panes. Condensation is a common issue in areas with high humidity, and it's especially prevalent in homes with older windows or poorly installed windows. If you notice foggy windows or moisture buildup between the panes of your double-glazed windows, it's likely that the seal has failed, allowing air and moisture to enter. Not only does this reduce the energy efficiency of your windows, but it can also create a breeding ground for mold and mildew. Proper installation helps ensure that double or triple pane windows are sealed tightly and function as intended. A well-installed window will prevent condensation from forming between the panes, maintaining clear visibility and improving the insulating properties of the window. This is particularly important in Florence's climate, where moisture can accumulate quickly, leading to the potential for long-term damage if the windows aren't correctly sealed. Improved comfort and indoor air quality. One of the most significant benefits of proper window installation is the improvement in comfort inside your home. Properly installed windows provide a tight seal, which keeps indoor temperatures consistent and eliminates uncomfortable drafts that can make certain areas of your home feel too hot or too cold. In Florence, where the temperature can vary drastically from season to season, ensuring that your windows are properly installed ensures a more consistent and comfortable indoor environment. Moreover, a well-sealed window also prevents allergens, pollutants, and dust from entering your home. This can have a significant impact on your indoor air quality, particularly for people with allergies or respiratory issues. The right installation helps reduce air infiltration, improving the air quality inside your home and creating a healthier living environment for your family. Increased home value. Proper window installation doesn't just make your home more comfortable, it also increases its value. Home buyers are often on the lookout for homes that are energy efficient, well-maintained, and free from issues like drafts or moisture damage. If you're planning to sell your home in the future, installing new windows with professional, quality installation can be a valuable investment. A well-installed window provides peace of mind for potential buyers, knowing they won't have to worry about replacing or repairing faulty windows. Furthermore, homes with energy-efficient windows are often more attractive to buyers, particularly in regions like Florence, where managing heating and cooling costs is a top priority. Whether you're selling soon or just want to improve your home's long-term value, ensuring proper window installation is a key step in maximizing your home's worth. Choosing the right installer. To get the full benefits of your new windows, it's essential to choose a professional window installer with experience and expertise. Look for a contractor who is licensed and insured and who specializes in energy-efficient window installation. A professional installer will ensure that your windows are fitted correctly, sealed properly, and perform as they should in Florence's climate. When selecting a window installer, ask about the materials they use, the types of windows they recommend for your home's needs, and the warranty they offer. A reliable installer will guide you through the process and ensure that the final product meets your expectations for both performance and aesthetics. Conclusion: the importance of proper window installation in Florence. In Florence, where humidity, temperature fluctuations, and moisture can create challenges for homeowners, proper window installation is crucial. It ensures energy efficiency, prevents water damage, improves comfort, and helps maintain indoor air quality. By investing in high-quality windows and expert installation, you can protect your home from the elements and enjoy a more comfortable, cost-effective living space. When it comes to your home, don't underestimate the importance of proper window installation. It's an investment that will pay off in both comfort and value for years to come.